Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu cream. First, you'll need to separate 6 large egg yolks from their whites. Place the yolks in a mixing bowl. Next, add 100 grams of granulated sugar to the yolks. Whisk these together until the mixture becomes pale yellow and slightly thickened. This initial step is crucial for creating a smooth, rich foundation for your delicious tiramisu. Now, let's introduce the star ingredient, mascarpone cheese. Take 500 grams of mascarpone, ensuring it's at room temperature for optimal blending. Gently fold the mascarpone into your egg yolk and sugar mixture. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cream too thin. A teaspoon of vanilla extract will also add a wonderful aromatic depth to your cream. To achieve that signature light and airy texture, we'll incorporate whipped cream. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 250 milliliters of cold, heavy cream. Whip it until soft peaks just begin to form. Avoid overwhipping to stiff peaks. Then, very gently fold this whipped cream into your mascarpone and egg yolk mixture. This step adds volume and a delightful lightness. Your tiramisu cream is almost ready. Give it a final gentle stir to ensure everything is well combined and smooth, with no lumps. The consistency should be thick enough to hold its shape, but still wonderfully creamy. For the best results and to allow the flavors to meld beautifully, cover the cream and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before you begin assembling your tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.